Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Nintendo Switch 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large rectangle. We'll start with a line across at the top. Now from the ends, let's bring it down. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and we're going to draw a border along the edges. And then one more border inside, a little bit thicker this time. Now that we have the shape of the screen, let's move to the sides and let's add the controllers. Let's start from the top corners and let's draw a small line out. And the same thing at the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to curve it down. And then from the bottom, let's do the same thing, curving it up. And then close it off on the sides with a vertical line. Now let's hop back to the top and let's draw a small line up. Now let's hop down to the sides here and let's draw a small line out. And then we're going to connect it with a curve down. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details on the controllers. Let's start inside the left controller and let's draw a rectangle shape in the top here. Now top down and let's draw a large circle. Now let's add another one inside. And one more inside this one. Now inside this inner ring, let's draw a line from the top and bottom, and one going out on both sides. Now underneath, we're going to draw the D-pad. Let's start with a small circle. Then two underneath. And one more in the center in the same way. Now inside each of the circles, we're going to draw the directional arrow. In the top circle, let's draw a triangle going up, and one going down in the bottom circle. Then let's draw triangles going out to both sides. Now we're going to hop down and let's draw a small square underneath here. And add a circle inside. And that's it for the left controller. Now let's hop over to the right side. We're going to start inside at the top and we're going to draw a plus sign. We'll start with a line up, over, and down. And the same thing out from both sides. and one more down underneath. Now underneath, we're going to draw 4 buttons. We'll start with the first one with a circle, and then 2 more underneath, and 1 more underneath in the center. Now in the top circle, let's draw the letter X, then a Y on the left, the letter A on the right, and then the letter B at the bottom. And that's it for the buttons. Now underneath, let's draw another large circle, one more inside, and then 1 more inside this one. Now in the inner ring, let's draw a line from the top, the bottom, and both sides. And that's it for the right analog. Now let's move down and let's draw another circle here, and then a small square underneath. Now inside the circle, we're going to draw a house by drawing a triangle shape, and then a square underneath. And then inside the square button, let's draw the letter C. Lastly, this part is optional, but we're going to draw a cute face on the screen. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes, and color them both in black. Then add a curve in the middle for the mouth. And that's it for the switch 2. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!